Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Monday, October 20th. And as we look at what's in the main headlines this morning, there are two big headlines. The first is that AWS had a fairly significant outage yesterday, but it has recovered. And it's saying that most customers are starting to see the effects of that outage dwindle, and their sites and assets online and resources are back to normal, back to available, with a few errors still occurring, but overall back to normal. The second is Donald Trump. Donald Trump has put together a list of demands that he expects from China or wants from China before trade talks resume. And there are really three key things. He wants to sell soybeans, US soybeans. US farmers have a ton of soybeans, multiple tons of soybeans they need to sell, and they grow these to sell internationally for export. And China is a huge market. So he needs to sell soybeans. Secondly, he wants to stop the spread of fentanyl. So he wants China to stop selling fentanyl, or the chemicals, the drugs, the chemicals that go into creating the drug, internationally, so that it cuts down on the amount of fentanyl. And third and finally is that Trump wants rare earths. He wants access to these rare earths. We've already seen in the headline here that rare earth magnet exports have started to slip ahead of conversations in shipments exports to the US. So he wants some kind of guarantee. And this is where China really controls a lot of the cards here. They have shifted their demand away from soybeans. They have started to put significant export controls on rare earth magnets. And they are, to my knowledge, and maybe others, not doing a great deal in terms of the stopping of the creation, or at least exporting of the chemicals that create fentanyl. So this is going to be a very tough negotiation for President Trump going in. Good news is the markets are up. So if we take a look at the futures this morning, all three indices are in the green. We've heard from Western Alliance Bank and Zion Bank this morning. Both have stocks that are in the green and moving upwards, not recovered from when they dropped on the fraudulent loan charges, but they have started to recover. Good luck in your trades today. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.